Welcome. My name is Christian Skies, and in today's relaxing audio journey, you find yourself sitting under a palm tree on a small tropical island. Close your eyes and listen. The lagoon's gentle waves wash up the shore and out again. They are tiny, barely more than a ripple in the calm midday sun, and yet their soothing sound is all you can hear at first. You let the sound wash over you, in and out. You take deep, calming breaths in time with the slow rhythm, in and out, in and out. As your mind calms, you begin to hear the other sounds of this warm paradise. Birds flutter in the trees just beyond the shore. The faintest breeze rustles the palm fronds, the mournful cry of distant seagulls. Then you let the waves wash through your consciousness again, calming and soothing. You breathe in, hold for a moment, and let the breath rush out, taking away that lingering tension in your neck and jaw. Now, as you inhale, you notice the scent of nearby flowers. There is a bungalow down the path, with jasmine vines cascading over the balcony. Their fragrant perfume hangs in the warm air, mingling with the hibiscus and the rich, sweet frangipani flowers in the garden. Their scent reminds you of summer nights and lazy hours in a hammock. You open your eyes and let them wander over the tranquil scene. The feathery green fronds of the palms droop over your sandy seat. They sway as the wind moves through, but only the barest breeze reaches down to you. Of course, the waves draw your gaze outwards. The lagoon gleams bright turquoise in the midday sun. Far off, you see the wide splashes of waves reaching over the coral reef. Beauty surrounds you. All you can see is blue sky and green water. But you know that under the water swim thousands of colorful butterfly fish. Close your eyes and imagine them as they were when you snorkeled yesterday. Yellow heads, black and white stripes. They seemed as calm and lazy as you feel today. You fill your lungs again and let the tension seep away as your muscles relax, in and out. The warmth of the midday air washes over you. Your shady palm tree and the gentle sea breeze combine with the heat to be exactly the right temperature. You are calm, relaxed. Your cares are a million miles away, so now you simply breathe. thank you for listening. I hope that this audio journey has helped you unwind or maybe even fall asleep. Even though these videos are a lot of fun to write, record and produce by our team, they are also very costly and time-consuming to make. If you want to support our work and allow us to make more of these in the months and years to come, we have a few donation options down below in the description. Also, if you're curious about what kind of equipment I use to make these audio journeys, such as microphones, recorders and more, I have a link down below for that as well. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.